So thank you for coming back to join me again on our journey talking about the Battle of Cowpens and also concentrating on what led to this battle. When Major General Greene sends Daniel Morgan west, so with the Flying Army, he gives him a set of orders to annoy the enemy in this quarter, to act offensively or defensively as your prudence guides you, to avoid surprises, to call out a militia as needed, and a few other things. Morgan leaves Charlotte about the 19th or 20th of December. He marches southwest. He crosses over the Catawba River, like I usually see by on the map here, and he arrives at what will be his campsite, known as Grindle Shoals, in between the Pacolet and Broad Rivers. When Morgan is here, he makes camp and he immediately starts to follow Greene's orders to the T. A very prominent militia leader, Andrew Pickens, will ride into Morgan's camp and bring along about 60 to 90 South Carolina militiamen. Rolling into Morgan's camp also is North Carolina Militia General Richard Davidson. He brings in about 120 North Carolina militia. He leaves stating that he can find anywhere from 300 to 500 more. So when Morgan is here, Cornwallis knows that Greene's army is split, and he's got two halves of the army that he has to deal with. One half is east over at Hicks Creek in the Chera region. One wing is west, like in between the Pacolet and Broad Rivers at Grindle Shoals. Cornwallis knows that he's got to deal with both halves. At some point, he might swing more towards Morgan since it kind of threatens his left flank in 96 even more. When we come back on the next video, we're going to cover an action that happens that will prompt Cornwallis from I got to deal with both halves to deal with at some point, to where I have got to deal with Morgan's half right now, immediately. So come on back and join me, and we will cover that later on down the road.